Hello and welcome to today's recipe. I'm Chef Kirk Wykowski, and with me today I've got Tyler and Stephanie, and we're gonna be making chicken Parmesan with some pasta, some red sauce, and all kinds of cheese. That sound good?
One of my favorites.
Yeah, see? A couple things to remember whenever we're working with raw chicken. Clean, 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 sanitize, sanitize, sanitize. Okay. So we're gonna season both sides.
Right.
We're gonna be doing seasoned flour, egg wash, and then breadcrumb. We keep one hand as dry and one hand as wet.
Okay.
So that's your dry hand, so go ahead and put that in there. And now with your other hand.
The wet hand?
Yep, that's your wet hand.
And then into the panko?
Into the panko, and now with your other hand. So now we've got our chicken nice and breaded. All right, you get cleaned up, and then we're gonna turn the duties over to Tyler here.
Okay.
And you're gonna be in charge of cooking it. And so we've got the pan on medium high. So our pan's hot, so you can go ahead and put some oil in there. We're using canola oil here, much higher flash point, so it can get hotter, which means we can brown better. Now you're gonna take that chicken and put it in, starting with the piece towards you and then put it away from you. What you're gonna want is a good, probably 2-3 minutes on each side. What we're looking for is just a browning. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, awesome. That looks beautiful.
So now we've got nice and browned on that side. We're just gonna repeat that process in that oil. So now we're done. We've got some browning on both sides. If you wanna grab your sheet tray, and then you can grab your chicken. And then the sauce that's gonna go on it, our red sauce, we want it heated. So we want that sauce heated, and it has to be nice and warm because you don't want to put a cold sauce on top of a hot protein. And so now we got our mozz cheese. We've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees, so that can go ahead and go right in the oven. And now we've got our water going for our pasta, because how could you not have pasta with your chicken Parmesan? So what we want to do is season the heck out of this. You're probably looking for, 2 or 3 quarts of water. Could easily be a tablespoon or 2 of salt.
Okay.
So now we've got a nice good boil rolling, and we have our pasta. And usually, a portion is usually no bigger than the round of a dime.
Okay.
And we're gonna set those in there. And before I push down, I just want I want that to start to soften.
And that way it doesn't crack when you push down on it.
Right.
All right.
Exactly. And since we're gonna be cooking this and serving it right away, 8 minutes. You set a timer for 8 minutes, you will not have overcooked pasta. Every couple minutes, you can just come back, stir the pot, give it a little shake, just to make sure nothing's sticking.
Okay.
So now we've got everything done. Go ahead and grab the strainer. Perfect. Now go ahead and just dump them right back in. Don't even strain them. Good. There you go. And then red sauce. What we want to do is sauce the noodles. We want to coat all of those noodles. If you want to grab the chicken out of there.
Oh, that looks great. Oh.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Nice Parmesan there. A little fresh basil.
Yeah.
So there's your chicken Parmesan with some linguine and red sauce. Thank you all very much for being here for this recipe. And again, all these ingredients available at Sparty's Market at 1855 Place.
Visit Sparty's Market at 1855 Place on the campus of Michigan State University to purchase any items used in this recipe.